welcome back again. Good afternoon. See, now I will teach that US GAAP and IFRS is there. Na? IFRS versus GAAP. What is meant by IFRS and International Financial Financing Report System? GAAP means generally accepted accounting principles. So I will tell now that is what is that one. Huh? Okay, we'll take Investopedia. Okay, first we'll check out IFRS. IFRS is set of international accounting standards. International accounting standards means for accounting things, one process will be there, procedure will be there. That we can call it as a international accounting standards. IFRS, which states how particular types of transaction, other events should be reported in financial statements. Financial statements means profit and loss account, balance sheet. That how particular types of transaction, other events should be reported in financial statements. So IFRS system means one process, means one guideline, that one setup based on that they will follow books of accounts and all their closing and their givings auditing and all their stats audit and all they will submit. So some accountants consider methodology to be the primary difference between the two systems. GAAP is the rules based and IFRS principles based. Okay. Rules means principles means what? Rules means principles means what? Principles means like one morals. Rules means one guidelines. You need to follow this one. So what indicates here? IFRS indicates principles, morals. GAAP means rules. Sees strictly rules. Now we will go into deep analysis, deep dive. About 160 jurisdictions have made a public commitment to IFRS report standards, and 147 require public listed entities to follow IFRS accounting standards. While the US Securities and Exchange Commission has openly expressed and switched from GAAP to IFRS, development has been slow. Don't know which. I think they are following both. So key takeaways will go. I am not studying much. I am just explaining subject. Some interview they will ask questions. What they will ask, they will ask about this one. What they will ask about? They will ask your company following which accounting standard. Yeah, in fact, one interview I had last time, they asked me which. Then I didn't able to answer it. So it is you kept in mind. So your company is following what IFRS or GAAP, like that. You just follow it. This meaning and all you can ignore it. You don't need to watch also. At least one video has Anji done, so you can go through it whenever interview time is there, like that. But I cannot. That's why I will upload in YouTube also. Yeah, accounting topics, so it will help you. So whenever you are attending interview, see accounts now will make simple way. You can think that accounts is like drinking water only. Arji, see, if Arji don't know means he cannot come to abroad, right? He knows everything. Accounts means he know A to Z. Still, admin is their ocean. Still, I mean also pond only. GAAP are generally accepted accounting principles is the common set of accepted accounting standards and procedures that US companies and their accountants must follow when they compile their financial statements. When they are producing statements, they are following this one. US companies maybe mostly. IFRS is IFRS is a set of financial accounting standards which state how particular types of transactions and other events should be reported in financial statements. See, IFRS is also international level. It's okay. See, international level means all over the territories, whoever all over the territories business is there, that one they are passing IFRS, International Accounting System, International Financial Accounting Reporting Systems. But GAAP is following especially in US only. Maybe I thought like that. But we'll see. Deep analysis we'll do. You check it. Deep analysis. I am just to go through it. I am just giving one topic, one idea. I'm taken in front of you one idea. I throw out one topic on you. You just check it, analyze it, grab it. Okay. Some accountants consider methodology to by the primary difference between the two systems. GAAP is rule based and IFRS is the principle based. I told you principle based and rules based. GAAP is rules means strict lines. You need to do like this. Commanding. Principles, IFRS principles like formulas, Vedantas like that. We can follow it based on. So many countries are transitioning all financial reporting to IFRS standards. So many countries are in the process of flowing to IFRS system processing. That's what. That's it. Nothing. Gap in the United States. If company distribute its financial statements outside of the company, it must follow the generally accepted accounting principles, generally accepted accounting principles. GAAP means if a company distributes finance outside of it must follow generally. If corporation if a corporation stock is publicly traded, financial system must also adhere to rules and established by the US Securities and Exchanges. They need to follow its stock exchange institute also. See that is a gap. IFRS I will tell. IFRS means all international companies will follow. That's all. Nothing is there. Simple. How to account balance sheet items, profit and loss account. This they will follow this one and they will account it. That's all. That's all. Nothing rocket science. There is no NASA technology. Accounts is simple drinking water only. You need to understand concept. You need to go deep analysis. Even if they are not if you are not company teaching also, you check it Google and all, you check it and study it yourself. What accounting questions? Nothing. You just follow accounts. Accounts is going to rule the world. Finance na, finance is matter. I'm going now office. I'm stopping this video. Another 2 minutes I'll do. See, IFRS is issued by the International Accounting Standards Board, IASB. Since IASB means International Accounting Standards Board, IASB, issued by that some report and PDF like processing guide resume, and they specify exactly how accountants must maintain report their accounts. Like me accountant, right? They will guide me like how to pass entries, how to do balance sheets, profit and loss account. They will teach everything. So IFRS was established in order to have a common accounting language. So business and accounts can be understood from a company to company and country to country. The point of IFRS is to maintain stability and transparency throughout the financial world. The point of view POV. IFRS is to maintain stability and transparency throughout the financial world. Throughout the financial world means throughout the world. Transparency will be there. Itself. Transparency means what? Like full visibility. Nothing. You want if you are not understanding that word, you Google it. You will come to know. Nothing rocket science. So fast fact, countries that benefit most of standards are those conduct a lot of international business and investing. That's all, nothing. I need to go to office. I just bottom line I will explain now. See, bottom line is a company that distributes finance statements publicly should use some form of established accounting principles. Two common ones are GAAP and IFRS. So in the United States, generally accepted accounting principles are GAAP are used by business with the public finance disclosures. The system uses rules. All US companies following GAAP, another all over the current following IFRS. That's all. Nothing is there. You simply keep in mind US companies following US GAAP. US GAAP is there. And remaining all over the countries following IS GAAP. Maybe US companies who are staying having business in other companies also, they are also maybe following US GAAP. That and all you need to check it. Whenever you are going to attend interview, you check it all these things. What is the company position, what they are doing, what annual reports, all you go through it. You don't need to go deep analysis. Check it. Something financial reports, balance sheet, audit, profit last month, just give it and just take meaning and you can attend. You can crack it through. Okay, that's all. I have now 3 o'clock. I need to go to office. I'm just uploading. Watch it and end it. Bye bye. Tata. See you.